gon' root for the underdog till you prove them wrong. Now you got to fall. It got to be fall down, down, fall down, fall down, fall down. It got to be fall down.
Every time I see you catch a roll in the pack, for the life of me, I cannot see why you don't know how to act. Love the clan when you're deep, but when you on that solo creep, out on the streets, you don't hear a beat. Nigga, it's a goddamn shame. Somebody explain why they send a bad boy to play a grown man's game. Tear that ass out the frame, completely get that ass kicked. Woke up on the street, but you'll be sleeping in the casket. How long will it last? Nigga, don't ask, just be first to blast. Outlaw on the mash, trying to be the first to see some cash. My shit's classic, like my nigga Nick, go get the tape, but keep the nation anticipating until we break. Money made me evil, cold cases got me stressed. Niggas aiming at my head, but I still wear my vest. I don't give a fuck, motherfuckers, I'm low. They all ducking when my gun smoke. You ain't shit without your homeboys. You probably run at the sound of funk. I give a fuck, you niggas is punk. Without your homeboys, you be the first to reach in your trunk. You scary niggas is punks.
At first they root for the underdog till you win the brawl. Now it's you they call.
It got to be
we gon' root for the underdog till you prove them wrong. Now you got to fall.
It got to be
fall down, down, fall down, down, fall down, down, fall down.
It got to be
fall down, down, fall down, down, fall down, down, fall down.
It got to be.
Your ears appear blocked, so I'm paving the way. I'm the musical Q-tip that's inching to your brain. Let's face it, my patience just kinda ran away. After Detox was pumped back another fucking decade, so I went to Best Buy to buy another CD. Bought the Chronic Doggy Style, all eyes on me. Then I bought some newest shit, Slim Shady LP. Get Rich or Die Trying Games documentary. How many did I cop? Shit, I bought 13. Cause if I hear about Swagger again, I'm gonna scream. Rap needs an underdog, dog, what about me? I ain't a gangster, but I'll slay you over any fucking beat. Cause you can freestyle, meanwhile I'm a lab rat, eating on the flesh of other rappers I laugh at. I'm coming for the crown, I'm about to get ransacked. I'm foaming at the mouth, another cat, I'll attack that.